birds flying high. You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. The river running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. For me. You know how I feel. Scent of the pines, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn.
Vida Flor Aqua, Carla Alexis Manalo, Dang Pilario, Darlene Lorraine Kerr, Fritz Hugh Rabanat, Raymond Rasco, John Gerald Reamilio, Julianne Rebo, Anthon Jofil Rebelio, April Joy Reveleza, Joy Erica Reyes,
Menestrino Emmanuel, BSCHE 1.7. Tamayo Ariel Joseph, BSTCE 1.581. Larion YG, BSCE 1.578. John Gerard, BSCHD 1.569. 566.
Ang mga tungkuling nakaatang sa akin bilang kasapi ng samahan ng mga nagsipagtapos sa Kolehiyo ng Inhenyeriya, Universidad ng Pilipinas. Paglilingkuran ko ang kolehiyong ito at ang mamamayang Pilipino na nagbayad ng buwis upang ako'y matuto. Pinapangako kong maging matapat sa kolehiyong naglinang sa aking kaalaman sa tamang landas. Tataguyod ko ang kapakanan at kagalingan ng Kolehiyo ng Inhenyeriya at bansang Pilipinas sa lahat ng oras.
A soft reminder to everyone, we shall all be exiting through the side exits.
Congratulations! Pero wala naman. Ang bawa na video. Oo nga, sana. Oo nga, pagkukunin niya pag-dahil. Hindi, guys. Ari ka buo. Hindi. College of Engineering. College lang, college. Kala ko, di ba?
Magsalita ka muna. Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Oo, di ba?
Gusto ka namang kapang pasalamatan, mami mo.
Thank you po. Tama tsaka po sa inyo.
Hindi pa po magkain yan. Hindi kumain ka na ba?
Ang gwapo-gwapo mo, JJ.
Ako naman ang picture yun, no?
Okay lang, kinuha ko na ng picture.
Ayan. Yan. Ayan yung kunan. Nakunan mo na ba yan?
Ayan, let's check her. Sige, okay lang. Okay lang. Congratulations, Jay! We're very proud of you.
Talaga naman. Kompletong video coverage. Andyan anak ang damit mo.
Nakuhanan ko rin kanina yung average mo, yung merong dito sa parang ano.
Patay ka, Jay.
Klase mo yan, ano. Wow, sobrang happy naman!
Nakita na nga.
Nakita yun sa video.
Kita ba yun?
Nakita yun. Hindi ko i-edit yun.
Ay!
Ay!
Ano yun? Highlights.
Sobrang
Highlights.
super saya naman. Happy ka ba,
There's
Jay?
the oblation already. Saan? Manhunt. Ang tagal, ano? Manhunter.
Sobrang nakakatuwa naman yung mga kas...
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come fly with me, let's fly away. Come fly with me, let's float down to Peru. In Llama Land there's a one-man band, and he'll toot his flute for you. Come fly with me, let's take off in the blue. Once I get you up there where the air is rarefied, we'll just glide starry-eyed. Once I get you up there, I'll be holding you so near. You may hear the angels cheer because we're together. Weather-wise, it's such a lovely day. Just say the words and we'll beat those birds down to Acapulco Bay. It's perfect for a flying honeymoon, they say.